Hello guys, welcome back. I know some people have been like, how do I do chart inside Excel? So today I'm gonna show you how to do it, and so quickly. Okay, so sorry for the noise, excuse me. First, you depending on what you want, let's say this data is randomly selected. I know it doesn't really make sense to do it, but eventually, as long as it's data, I'm gonna use it like this, right? And then I'll go like insert. What kind of, this is Sparklines exactly. This is a Sparkline. You have to do a Sparklines. Once you're talking about charts inside of cell, it's called Sparkline. Okay, so depending on the one that you want, you could choose this one or this one, columns, and this. So this is preferred to when you want to see the negative numbers out of the positive numbers. So that's when you use this one. So let's say you want to do a line inside of something. So this is selected, and then you gonna tell where do you want to have it. So I selected there, and then boom. So I have a 4 sea level rising in meter by 1 meters. So and then you just drag it down, and then you have it. So what else, what if you want to see it right next to the data itself? So it's easy to, so you just, which one am I gonna do? So let's say this, and then you can just do this, and you just format in data bar, and you have this too. Or you want to have something, let's see, you might want to have something like this too. It's up to you too, it's not big there. So this thing too, you could do this by using icons like this. So it depends on what you got asked to do. So basically this is to just show you how to do the Sparklines. Okay, thank you. Give me some thumbs up to encourage, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel.